Hello everyone, welcome. Today I thought I would walk through very quickly installing Python and PyCharm. So let me see if I can share my screen. Yes, here's my browser. I'm already at python.org and I'm also at jetbrains.com, excuse me. And the first thing I'll be doing is downloading some rather large files. So as we progress, when something boring is going on, I'll stop the video and come back later. So here for python.org, we have downloads, and I will put down Python 3.9.1. You want to make sure to get a Python 3 version. Anything above 6 is really okay, but I don't have 3.9.1 already installed, so I'll go with that. And it will take a while. There's the executable, and I'm downloading it. While that's downloading, oh, and it finished already. I'll go to JetBrains, and there are a couple of ways you can do this at JetBrains. One is to go to Developer Tools and PyCharm. I'm doing this for CSC 120, and the community edition, which is free, is perfectly acceptable for CSC 120. There's also an educational edition that has some really wonderful projects already built into the package. It's free as well, and the projects are really, really wonderful. That's a good way to learn Python, seeing and doing kind of thing. If you want to get the professional edition, which you'll probably need for some of our upper level courses, such as quality assurance possibly, go down to the bottom of any jetbrains.com page, and you can look at academic licensing. You can wade through there and get an academic account at JetBrains, and that will let you put down anything you wish, including the professional edition, which has some extra goodies on top of the free community edition. But I think I'll put down the professional edition since I do have that license. And I don't think, okay, the download should start shortly. And it is starting. And it should only take about 5 minutes. While this is downloading, I will start to install Python. And I go to downloads. And here is my Python 391. I will right click on that. Now this is asking if I want to let this program change my computer, and I say yes. And we'll be back when there's something to see. Now here, when it's asking me about installing Python 391, I am going to add Python 3.9 to my path. This means that if I just open a Python program, it's going to choose Python 3.9 instead of one of the other Python versions I have installed. And I'll leave install launcher for all users there, and I will install it now. Okay, so now the setup was successful, and we will close this and we will install PyCharm Professional, which has finished its download. I'll run that as administrator. And so finally, I'm in the PyCharm setup, and I'll just pick the defaults here. I want the desktop 64-bit launcher, and I want to create an association between .py files and PyCharm. I want to update my path variable. I'll have to reboot to get that, but that's okay. And I will add an open folder as Python project to my context menu. And again, I'll just take the defaults here, and this will also take a while. Okay, so we have set up PyCharm, and I need to reboot because of that one option I picked. And I will stop this meeting, stop the recording, do the reboot, and just make a second video for bringing PyCharm up and for setting up a first project and running it. So I'll be talking with you guys a good bit later on. This slow machine takes a while to reboot. It's horribly overloaded. So talk to you later. Bye.